Very good morning friends, and this is our final video on the topic integration by parts. Here we'll solve or derive some of the standard forms, and they are unique in their own ways. These forms go like integration of under root x square minus a square dx, or integration of under root x square plus a square dx, or integration of under root a square minus x square dx. So all these formulas, all these forms can be integrated using the very same method, and they have very common approach, and that approach is integration by parts. So now I solve one. How? So let's start with this only. I am starting this one. So I write, because I need to take another function, because if you go by integration by parts, you need to have two functions u, v. So this is my u is v, so I write 1. So this is x square minus a square dx. Since we do not know what will be the integration of this, but we know what is the differentiation of this, so we will take this one as u and this one as v. Now we go. So keep under root x square minus a square, that is u, constant, integration of 1 dx minus integration of differentiation of unchanged, that is x square minus a square, into integration of 1 dx and dx. So this gives you idea of x square minus a square, and integration of 1 is just x, minus integration or differentiation of root x. So in differentiation of root x is 1 over 2 root x. Differentiation of root something is 1 over 2 root something, 2 root something, that is x square minus a square, into differentiation of this x square minus a square again, which just gives you 2x, and into, and this is x and dx. Now these two cancel. So again you get here the form that x under root x square minus a square minus, this is x square over under root x square minus a square. Now what we'll do, that you see this is x square, this is x square minus a square. So subtract a square and add a square like this. Then this term will break down into the two terms. One is this over this, another is this over this. So this is x under root x square minus a square. This is x square minus a square over under root x square minus a square dx, minus a square over under root x square minus a square dx. Now I am going down, and then you see how this line can be solved. So this is my I. So here I is x under root x square minus a square minus. If you see here, the form goes like x over under root x, kind of x over under root x, like something over the under root, the very same thing. So this cancel each other, this always becomes under root x. So this becomes integration of under root x square minus a square dx. If you see, this is nothing but your I. So this is my I, and then this is a square, I take common, and this integration 1 over under root x square minus a square is directly, you can write the formula, it is, that is log mod x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. Now this is my I can take this on this side, so this becomes 2i. Understood? Because this is I. So here just pay attention. Now I remove all this thing, and at this place I write this as I, and then this minus I goes on this side, so this becomes 2i. So I remove again this from here, and this becomes 2i. Now I write I is x over 2 under root x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log mod x plus under root x square minus a square plus c. So this is the answer of this particular form. Now if I take this one, so you see this part will remain same, this part. So this part you understood. Now in the very same expression I am going for this particular form. So I'll write x square plus 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 plus. Then here no difference, I write a square minus a square. But when we make grouping, then we write the plus things here. So plus plus plus, and this one I'll make it as minus, plus plus, this is plus, this is minus. So fine, but here this is minus, so this thing will become minus and this will become plus, because this is minus and this is also minus. So this will become plus, so this will become plus plus plus. This goes on this side, it becomes same I, no problem. This is plus, this is plus, no, yeah, plus. So this is how you can find the answer of this much. So this is the very same thing. The difference is that here you'll get all these three and this is positive. So I did this one, and then on the basis of the very same thing I found the answer for this one. Now I'll go directly for this one, and there you have to make very little changes, but before I just like to go from the very beginning. So let me clear the screen first. So now here I take the last form, and that is I is under root a square minus x square dx. And again, so first let me write one term here, 1 into under root a square minus x square dx. So I go a little faster because it's the same way. So under root a square minus x square, integration of 1 dx minus integration of d by dx of under root a square minus x square multiplied with integration of 1 dx, and all these things will be integrated again here. So this is x under root a square minus x square minus integration, this is x, this is 1 over 2 under root a square minus x square, and integration of a square minus x square is minus 2x dx. So this becomes x under root a square minus x square minus this 2 to cancel this minus will make this as plus, this is x square over under root a square minus x square dx. Now we need a square minus x square, then I write, oh, if I need this minus, then I need to preserve this minus. So, okay, so in the next step, first here I am doing this, I am making this one as minus and this also as minus. In the next step I will add a square and subtract a square. So this becomes x under root a square minus x square minus a square minus x square plus a square upon under root a square minus x square dx. So this will become x under root a square minus x square minus minus integral a square minus x square over under root a square minus x square dx plus a square integration of 1 over a square minus x square under root dx. So now this term, you see, this is just this to cancel, this becomes I. So we have I is x under root a square minus x square minus, again I am writing without, so that everyone can understand, under root integration of a square minus x square dx plus a square integration of 1 over under root a square minus x square dx. This is a square minus x square over under root a square minus x square will be this. This is I. So this I goes on this side and becomes 2i. So 2i is x under root a square minus x square plus this integration of this one is sine inverse x by a. So a square into sine inverse x by a plus c. Now I use this 2, this is 2 is there. So now I remove this 2 and divide the whole expression by 2. Then I get I as this over 2, this over 2. And this is all about this particular form. Thank you very much. And now we have done most of the integration by parts. There are thousands of the questions based on the integration by parts. We cannot make the videos for each and every question, but we have tried to cover all distinct forms so that you will always be in the better position if you watch these videos. And those who are preparing for their board examination, these are just kind of revision for them, because I'm pretty sure they might have studied or undergone through all these methods before. Thank you very much. Just subscribe to our channel and keep practicing.